Hey, hello everyone, this is Nina Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can easily get more leads, and I mean really target leads and sales by using surveys. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topic. So if this is something that you really want to go ahead and master, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. By the way, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm gonna leave a link below. It's gonna be the very first link in the description. So if you're really interested in what I do, right, to make money online, passive income, even while I sleep or I'm on vacation, please go ahead and click the very first link in the description. So now, let me go back to the topic. As I mentioned before, I'm going to teach you how you can capture quality leads and get more sales because you're using surveys. Why is this so powerful? Let me let me show you an example. Let's say that you are in the weight loss industry, right? And you have several products that you already choose. It can be your own products, or you can be doing affiliate marketing. It's going to be working the same. Okay, let's say that you're in the weight loss industry, but you have people like they haven't tried a diet before. Some of them maybe had a diet, but they do have like a bounce. There are other people who want a diet, but they don't want to, lose weight. What they want to do is that they want to build muscle, or they want to have less fat, so they have a specific diet. So you can be promoting 3 products with just one funnel. That's why it's really important, and the coolest thing is that this can be personalized. Okay, so they're gonna have a product that is gonna be perfect for them. If I'm, for example, I'm a person that I never try a diet before, I'm gonna be following that path, and at the end you're gonna refer me to the product that is gonna fit my needs. In another chance, let's say that I'm a person who loves to work out, right? But maybe I'm not getting the results that I want. Hey, maybe it's because my diet, maybe it's gonna be because of my workout routine. You're gonna refer me to that product. So let's take this example. It says, find out if you are getting the right food for your body type with G-Plan's 30 seconds online quiz. A lot of people love to fill out quizzes, and the most important thing that I almost forget is the fact that people love to share quizzes and they love to share their results. Okay, so here is it. Like, take this quiz now. I'm gonna click here. Try not to make a really long survey. For example, this one has 14 questions. That's okay. It says like, okay, how you sleep at night tells me a lot about your efficiency level. If your sleep restful, hamburger, pizza, ice cream, hot dogs, So here I'm gonna be answering my questions, and depending on the questions, depending on the answer, I'm gonna have more questions, right? I have here, let's say that I'm gonna click here. It says never, right? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm answering, right? So let's say that I'm gonna be answering all these questions, and I already finished with this. So now that I fill out all the answers, right, what I'm going to do is that they're going to capture my information. Okay, so they're going to give me my even a way personalized answer. So I'm going to need to fill in with my current weight, what's my goal, what's my gender, what's my age, the height, and everything here. So if I click here complete quizzes, they're going to have all my information, and they can start they're going to refer me to a product, right? Because I answered this in a really crazy way, right? The product is not going to be accurate, but because you're going to be doing it perfectly, you're going to refer people to product. Again, try not to do really long quizzes. It can be something as simple as 3 questions, 7 questions, or like this one, this is 14 questions. And if you're wondering like, okay, I love this idea, I love this concept, but I'm not a tech support agent, I'm not a web designer, I'm not a graphic designer, don't worry. I'm gonna give you a recommendation just in case that you want to try it out. It's gonna be my number one funnel builder, which is actually Builderall. If you want to give it a try, I'm gonna leave a link below. It's gonna be a 7-day free trial, and if you want to check out which are the bonuses that I'm offering for free, if you decide to take out the Builderall business package, I'm gonna leave a link below as well. So you are not a designer, right? Don't worry, this thing is easier than you think. So we're gonna go where it says here builders. Then we're gonna choose the drag and drop perfect builder. By the way, yes, this is drag and drop. So no, you don't need to have any kind of technical skills. Then I'm gonna click here where it says sales funnels, and you're gonna land on this page here. As you can see, we do have a lot of funnels. If you're doing a summit, if you are thinking about building a lead magnet funnel, if you want to have a bridge page, right? But in my case, I'm going to go with this one, with the survey funnel, because this is one I already choose, right? So this is what I already teach you how to do. So here is it. I'm going to click here where it says select this funnel, and you're going to land on this page. So here on this page, it says that you're going to have 5 pages. So maybe they're going to be just 5 questions, and you're going to edit it in about 25 minutes. Here there is a video explaining how the funnel works, and here you have the blueprint. Okay, what you can do here is you can drive traffic to the surveys page with the very first question, and depending on the answer, people are going to be guided to one page or the other. And they do have just one thank you page, but my recommendation is, depending on their questions, you're going to refer the product. So as I mentioned before, you can be referring 3 products with just one funnel. Really important is that you need to be doing follow-ups emails. Okay, so that's why you're going to be capturing people's emails. You're going to click here where it says edit template, and you are going to have your template here. It's going to be ready to go. This is pretty easy, really simple. You just need to change out you need to fill out your information. Here are the pages that the system already created for you. If you want to create more, you can do it. And here you're going to have the thank you page. The thank you page, my suggestion, and I'm going to show you here, is that you need to have a custom video. Okay, thanking people because they fill out this form, and explain them why you are suggesting this product. Videos are really powerful. Okay, so they are really powerful because that's the easiest way to connect with people. People are going to understand way better what you're referring to, that product or that service. Again, it can be yours, or it can be if you're doing affiliate marketing, it's going to work great. Okay, so again, if you don't have a funnel builder and you want to give it a try, I'm going to leave a link below so you can test out Builderall. It's going to be a 7-day free trial. And again, if you want to check out my bonuses, I'm going to leave a link below as well. As you can see, surveys are extremely powerful, okay, because you can promote several products on the same funnel. You can actually understand way better your customers' needs, right? And the most important thing is that they can go viral, okay, because people love to be sharing these kind of things. Okay, if you are not sure, like, okay, which are the questions that I'm gonna go, don't worry. Okay, what you can do is that you can buy a magazine. I know it's kind of old-fashioned, or you can just Google the competitors to see what they are doing. Okay, so if you find some golden nuggets in this video, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, that's gonna help my channel. If you have some questions, some comments, leave it in the comment area, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.